Hello viewers, Namaste and welcome back to Vehicle Mania's Know the Facts. I'm your host Pranav P. Nair. I'm sure after watching this video, your doubts on gear transmissions will be clarified. We will be discussing about 7 different gear transmissions: IVT, CVT, DSG, DCT, AMT, AT and MT. Now let's move on to one by one. The first one we are going to take is automatic transmission. Automatic transmission is a transmission that uses a torque converter, planetary gear set and clutches or bands to shift through a vehicle's forward gears automatically. Some automatics allow the driver a limited amount of manual control over the vehicle. Aside from choosing a forward, reverse or neutral mode, for example allowing the driver to control upshift and downshift by utilizing buttons or paddles on the steering wheel of the gear selector. Common names for such transmissions are shiftable automatic, Tiptronic and autostick. That's the automatic transmission. Next one is a manual transmission. With a manual transmission, the driver selects all gears manually using both a movable gear selector and a driver operated clutch. This type of transmission is also known as a stick shift or a standard transmission. Next one is automated manual transmission. In automated manual transmission is similar to manual. We can save fuel, we'll get a good mileage. An automated manual also employs a mechanical clutch. However, the action of the clutch is not controlled by the driver. That is, there won't be the operation of clutch. Like in manual transmissions, we use clutch for changing the gears, but in the automated manual or the AMT, we do not use any kind of clutches. It is controlled by the driver via the clutch pedal, but rather is automated using electronic, pneumatic or hydraulic controls. Sometimes it is referred to as direct shift gearbox. Recently in India, Maruti Suzuki have launched that type of gearbox. In mainly Tata Nano, it is also known as sequential manual gearbox. Next one is a CVT transmission. The CVT transmission or the continuously variable transmission are pulley based transmissions that are primarily used in small vehicles with small engines. CVTs have been used for years in snow machines, ATVs and side-by-sides to name a few. They are also more recently popular in hybrid vehicles. The basic setup is a primary small drive and a secondary large driven clutch with a belt or chain to connect the two. The belt or chain will sit low in the primary drive and sit high in the secondary drive at its top. As you accelerate, the primary drive will contract, causing the belt or chain to walk up, while at the same time the secondary will expand, causing the belt or chain to walk down. Mainly these CVTs are used in small vehicles like Honda's Jazz, WRV, etc. Next one is direct shift gearbox. The direct shift gearbox is a subsidiary of the automated manual transmission which I had said earlier, the AMT. It has two clutches that disengage alternately in changing gears. DSG provides smooth acceleration and fast shifting. Next one is a dual clutch transmission or the DCT. It is sometimes referred to as twin clutch transmission. It is a type of multi-speed vehicle transmission system that uses two separate clutches for odd and even gear systems. For example, for 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, 6. For these, for the odd, there is one clutch. For the even gears, there is another clutch. So, dual clutches. The design is often similar to two separate manual transmissions with their respective clutches contained with one housing and working as one unit. In car and truck applications, the DCT functions as an automatic transmission, requiring no driver input to change gears. It automatically changes without any driver's input. Next is the last one, the IVT. It is mainly seen in Kia, Hyundai's Venue, Kia Seltos, Sonet, etc. So IVT is similar to DCT, only dual clutch. So an infinitely variable IVT means infinitely variable transmission or continuously variable transmission. It is an transmission with an infinite ratio range, which means that the transmission ratio may be 0. So here I am winding up the topic on gear transmissions. If you have any more automobile doubts, then please do mail it to my email ID nairpranav29@gmail.com, or else please do put in the comment section below. I will try to answer most of the questions to my knowledge. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also leave your supportive comments and do subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell button to get all our videos new notifications. Till then, see you. It's me, Pranapi Nair, signing out.